Once again, we're going to use some replacement values. We do this over and over throughout the course. We did it with whole numbers, we did it with integers, we did it with fractions, and we've already done it several times with decimals, and we're going to continue to do that. All right, so number one says to evaluate this expression, and the expression is z divided by y. And the value of z is 1.53. And I'm supposed to divide it by the value of y, which is negative 0.2. I would typically put that negative number in parentheses, but you really don't have to. It is a division problem. The rules for signs and division, if you have a positive and a negative, the quotient will be negative. So on my calculator, I'll take 1.53 divided by 0.2, and I get 7.65. The negative I knew would be because it was a positive divided by a negative. The next one, I have x divided by y. So that's going to be, I have x divided by y. I have 4.65 divided by negative 0.8. Again, it's a negative divided by a positive, so it's going to be a negative quotient. I have 4.65 divided by 0.8. Doesn't say anything about rounding, and I get negative 5.8125. I did not ask my calculator to take care of the sign. I did that. I just let it do the division for me. All right, on problem number 3, and we've done this before as well, it wants to know if a particular value for x is a solution. All right, here's my equation. X over 5 is equal to 2.44. Question, if x is 12.2, is it a solution? Well, let's see. If I have 12.2 over 5, will that be the same as 2.44? Okay, I need to do that. 12.2 divided by 5, and I get 2.44. This side is 2.44, so the answer is yes. It must be a solution because when I replaced it, I got a true statement. Last one, the equation z over 10 is equal to 0.02. The value I'm supposed to plug in for z is 2. Is 2 over 10 equal to 0.02? Now, it could be that you can tell immediately that that is not the case. This is 2/10. This decimal is read as 2/100. So I think right away we're going to know this is not true, but you could perform this division. You'll get 0.2. Is that the same as 0.02? The answer is no. It is not a solution. In another lesson coming up in the future, we'll practice solving these equations, but for right now, we're just checking to see if certain replacement values are solutions.